Hello guys, welcome to this training and I'm gonna show you today how to create a sticky header in Elementor. Basically this is a continuing of my last video and right now I'm gonna show you how to create this header. Okay, as you can see it's a sticky header and it becomes a little transparent when you scroll down. Okay, a really nice, simple, good looking headers you can add to your website. And by the way guys, take in mind that this header is part of the templates that I'm gonna share with you if you purchase Elementor Pro with my link, and also is part of the other two bonuses that I'm gonna share with you. So basically you're gonna have this same header and you have to put your own stuff on it and you're ready to go. Now let's dive into today's training. Right now, as you can see, this is the dashboard, and if we go to the website we can see that it looks like this. So we're gonna fix this real quick. We're gonna go to settings, reading, and what we're basically going to do here is we're gonna tell to WordPress, hey WordPress, I want you to assign the home page to the home page that I have created. So as you can see here, we have your home page displays. We're gonna click on static page and we're gonna select the home page, home here. And post is basically the blogs. When you create your blog page, you have to select the blog page and you are good to go. Now we wanna click on save changes. And if we go to the home page, we wanna refresh this. And there we have it. Now, as you can see, what we have to do first is we need to create a menu because we haven't created this menu. So how we do this? We're gonna go to appearance, menus, and we're gonna create our main menu. Okay, menu, create menu. Okay, select the main. Okay, I'm gonna save. And now what we have to do is just basically select the pages that we're going to use. Okay, so we have, wanna see all the pages, and we're gonna select home, the about, contact, and services page. Add to menu, and there we have it. Now we can arrange this however we want. We wanna move this to there, and basically that is the structure we need. We're gonna click save menu, and we're gonna go look how it looks. Refresh, and there we have it. Okay, simple as that. Now we're gonna go back, and now we're going to design the sticky header. We're gonna go to templates, theme builder, and this is the theme builder of Elementor, but we're gonna use the new version, that is this one. We're gonna click on try it now, and there we have it. We're gonna click on header, and as you can see we have a bunch of templates you can also use, but to be honest I always prefer to create mine, so we're gonna do that. So we're gonna take a look at this header. As you can see we have the logo, the menu here, and the call to action that is for the user to call to the business. So in this case we're gonna use 3 columns. We're gonna click on this plus icon. We're gonna choose this 3 columns structure, and we're gonna change this a little bit. We're gonna leave it in 25 and 25 here. Okay, now I like to do is to click on this column, as you can see, and we're gonna choose middle, the same here, middle, and here. Now we're gonna go to the widgets. We're gonna choose an image where the logo goes, and the navigation menu here in the center, and we also have a button here. Okay, now we're gonna start editing this. We're gonna click on this, we're gonna choose the image, you're gonna choose your logo. There we go. And the services, we're gonna align this in the center, and you can always have this option like change the title, the typography. If you want to be this a little bit bigger, you can do that here. Okay, and change the color. We're gonna choose white because the background we're gonna change it to black. And the bottom here, we're gonna align this in the center, and you can always change the color and change the text. I don't know, put a number, whatever, and send the link there. Okay, normally the link, if you want the people to click the button and call automatically, you have to put tell and dots and put the number. Okay, now we're gonna change the background of this section. We're gonna go with style, classic, and we're gonna choose the black. There we go. Now we're gonna publish this. We're gonna add a condition, and we're gonna include the entire site. We're basically telling Elementor to display this header into the whole site. Save and close, and we're gonna refresh this, and there we have our menu. You can see, really simple and easy. Now, in order to make this header sticky and to create that effect of transparency when we scroll down, we gotta go to Advanced, Motion Effects, Scrolling Effects, Transparency, and we wanna choose the direction, Fade in out. We wanna choose here 1.5, and viewport bottom 25, and to the top 74. Okay. And then we want to click on sticky to the top and update. Let's see how it looks. We're gonna refresh, and there we have our sticky header with that transparency effect. Now I'm gonna make the life easier for you guys. I'm gonna give you the template, so I'm gonna show you how you can import it. So we're gonna erase our work, no worries. We're gonna click on the folder, we're gonna go to templates, upload template, select the file, and you're gonna choose the header. Here we have it. We're gonna insert this, yes. And there we go, guys. This is what you're gonna get. Now we're just gonna update this and refresh. And there we have it, okay? And as you can see, this is a mobile friendly menu. Okay, now if this happened to you, it's like a breaks. This is a white line. So we're gonna fix real quick. Sometimes this kind of thing happens. So if you want to fix that, you have to go to the tablet section. We're gonna go and select this section, margins. We're gonna put -20, and mobile the same. Okay, update. Let's see now, refresh, and there we have it. If this happens to you, you know how to fix that, and you don't have to worry about any other technical stuff. Now, if you want to have this template, guys, you just simply have to click the link below, or just type this link, bgonlinesolutions.com/Elementor in the browsers, and you're gonna go to Elementor page, and you need to purchase Elementor with my link, and I'm gonna give you the bonuses. That either way, you need to have this program if you want to create the ideal website for your business, okay? So you don't have any limitations. I'm gonna give you the templates, I'm gonna give you the training, where I'm gonna show you how to create a profitable customer generating website. Remember, a website is not a brochure, it's a machine that needs to bring you customers. And the private Facebook group, where you wanna be able to ask questions if you have doubts, troubles fixing something. I'm gonna be there trying to help you fix those problems, okay? And remember that if you don't want to deal with anything of this, you can go to jordanvelasquez.com/call and schedule a call, and we're gonna create something amazing for your business. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.